As a video content creator, we are always opting for ways through which we can present our videos, our content to our viewers, our audience in its best quality. We want our well-formatted content right from our video, the quality of our video. We want it to be in high standard resolution. We want our audio quality to be well enhanced audio quality, a clear audio quality, which will make the content of our video, which will make it easy to understand for our audience, a clear, resonating video for our audience. We want everything to be well formatted. And as a starter video content creator, it might be hard getting the resources for creating a good content because these resources are quite expensive. Right from the microphone, the camera for shooting, these resources are expensive. It might be hard getting the money to acquire these resources. But in this video, I'm going to cover it with a secret website which I will be disclosing in this video. This website can be used in enhancing the quality of audio. So you can use, as a content creator, you can use this website for the enhancement of your video, of your audio quality from this to this. But before I disclose this website, if this is your first time watching this channel, I am Kolade and you are watching from Design Tech Hub YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe on this channel. And don't forget to put on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new and amazing content. And as for the returning viewers, thank you. I really appreciate. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. Using any browser on your device, search for Adobe Audio Enhancer. Adobe Audio Enhancer. After you've searched for this, the first site on search, the first site, Adobe Podcast, click on it. Then you get redirected to this site, Adobe Podcast. This is the site you are going to get redirected to. This is a site which you will be using in enhancing the quality of your video, of the audio of your video, of your sound, of your voiceover. This is the site which will be used in the enhancement. So once you've reached the site like this, you click on choose files to select the file you want to enhance, to select the voiceover you want to enhance from your device. So you select the sound. So you have to wait for some minute while this is uploading. So it will take a while for uploading, and after uploading, the speech will be enhanced. You can see on the screen enhancing speech. So you have to wait for some minute depending on the connectivity of your network. So you have to wait for some minute. So this is now enhanced. The sound is now enhanced. So this is the enhanced audio. Over the past somewhat now, Pixellab has been including the. This is the one that is not enhanced. So you can see the differences between the enhanced sound and the one that is not enhanced. So this is how, as a content creator, as a starter content creator who cannot avoid a microphone for enhanced audio quality, this is how you can enhance your sound using the Adobe Podcast site. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe on this YouTube channel and put on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new and amazing content. And as for the returning viewers, thank you. I really appreciate. Until the next video, stay subscribed.